My name is John Hall. I'm a Professional Development Officer at CIHT. The Activity Pack is an interactive education tool that helps bring the transportation sector to life for children and gives them the opportunity to start learning about the possibilities of an exciting and rewarding career in our sector. The interactive nature of the pack allows children to have fun whilst practicing science, technology, engineering, maths and geography. After listening to the needs of our members and STEM ambassadors, CIHT created the Activity Pack to allow young students the opportunity to apply theory to practice by using real-world transport challenges. The pack offers children a chance to practice and develop their written and verbal communication skills whilst learning about how travel and infrastructure will evolve in the future. It also helps them to understand their own responsibilities in the community and towards the environment. Our interactive Activity Pack is best suited to a primary school audience, although it can be adapted by the presenter to suit different age groups. STEM ambassadors use the pack to present their audience with a transport challenge. The audience then discusses the challenge and creates a basic model using environmentally friendly products to show the various ways that the challenge can be met. Well, it's a unique format and content. It's been developed in conjunction with STEM ambassadors and teachers, and we hope it will help to inspire the next generation.